Newly opened cafe dito sa Imus na literal na dinadayo at pinipilahan. Yung dati nagsimula sa coffee cart, ngayon ay meron ng sariling pwesto na nag-o-offer ng masasarap, quality at reasonable price ng mga snacks and drinks. Tulad nitong kanilang nachos na napaka-generous ng serving for only 250 pesos lang at may masarap ng homemade cheese sauce. Ang sarap nga rin ng fries nila dito for just 120 pesos and similar yung lasa niya sa fries ng Popeyes. Try nyo to, promise. 6 pieces chicken wings for just 250 pesos, pwedeng lemon glaze, garlic parmesan or kaya naman itong buffalo flavor na napaka-flavorful at bagay dun sa mayo dip. May mga 10-inch pizza nga rin sila dito for just 280 pesos. Sulit na to. May beef and mushroom, chicken and cheese, aloha special at cheesy garlic. And syempre, wag nyo nga rin palalagpasin yung tingin kong pinaka-strong point nila dito, which is yung kanilang mga drink selections. Magmula sa kanilang mga coffee drinks like caramel latte, sea salt latte, meron din silang frap series, lalo na if you have kids, we tried their cookies and cream and dark chocolate flavor. And aside from that, marami pa kayong pwede ma-enjoy dito ng mga non-coffee drinks. Tulad na lang nitong refreshing nilang butterfly pea, fizzy, fragrant and fruity flavor at the same time. Lahat ng yan matitikman nyo dito sa Cafe Tahimik na located along Tahimik Street, Imus, Cavite. Tapat lang to ng Faustino's Events Place. Meron silang malaking parking, mapa 4 wheels or motor, walang problema. Available sila dito for deliveries through Food Panda and open naman sila dito daily except Monday from 4 PM to 11 PM.